This is the glass cup that the customer wants to sample. The requirement is to engrave characters on the surface of the glass cup. The video shows our engineers testing the parameters. There are two challenges in the sample production of the glass cup. Firstly, the glass has a curved surface. The customer requests the area for engraving characters. The curvature of the surface is approximately 130 degrees. The difference in height between the highest and lowest points is around 3 millimeters. They want to pursue efficiency, complete the engraving in one go, and ensure the graphics are evenly distributed. There should be no distortion. It requires engineers to create a 3D model of the cup. Apply the flat pattern as a texture. Tightly adhere to the model diagram. Then use a 3D dynamic focused laser device for engraving. Secondly, glass is fragile and has a relatively low melting point. It has a very low absorption rate for infrared light. The light source for engraving needs to be a cold light source. 532 nanometer green light or 355 nanometer ultraviolet light with minimal thermal effect. The customer requests the engraving effect to be as delicate as possible. Then only ultraviolet light can be chosen.